tanan. To Ma'am Jacqueline Borbon, good afternoon ma'am, our assistant school head. So pareho may ngalan ni Ma'am Borbon, no? Jacqueline pud ko. Pero kulang rag letter C ka ma'am. Ako with letter C ang Jack. So, my task this afternoon is to give you updates and reminders sa ato ang authorized voluntary contribution. Gauna jud ang reminder sa authorized voluntary contribution. Okay, kani siyang contribution kato ni siyang gi-present during sa first assembly pa to, no? First quarter pa ni siya gi-present. So, tanan ang kabalo ani from grade 7 until grade 12. So all students who are enrolled in Piapi High School are encouraged to pay the authorized voluntary contribution, and this is for the whole school year na 2025-2026. Now, as of this time, naay mga students, ubay-ubay na ni sila nga na fully paid na ani nga amount, no? So you don't need to worry kay naay daghang naka-fully paid na ani. So munang ni-remind rami karon kay naapoy ubang naka-partial payment, especially and in part sa school paper which is 90 pesos. Gi-collect na ni siya ahead kay humana man ato ang Division Schools Press Conference, and then ang funds ato